As distributors and employees of New Ways, we care about each other, our communities, and the planet we live on. We feel the responsibility to uplift others and reach out to people from all walks of life. New Ways Gives is our program for offering something back to the worldwide community by helping those who are suffering or disadvantaged. New Ways Gives provides assistance around the globe, including donating funds and supplies in needed areas. This outreach program would not be possible without our phenomenal and compassionate independent distributors. By being part of New Ways, one individual can help make a difference in a variety of ways across the globe. We're grateful for each and every New Ways distributor and employee for multiple reasons, but particularly because we're all working together to achieve our vision of creating healthy communities. We look forward to continuing to grow the New Ways Gives program as we create healthy homes around the globe in partnership with our employees and distributors.
The name Footsteps for Africa came from specifically the needs that I saw among many of the impoverished children, a need for shoes, the need for clothing. Shoes in particular are a great need to many of these children who walk many miles to school every day. I want to thank the distributors affiliated with New Ways, and they need to know that the success of Footsteps for Africa's initiative was due to their individual efforts. I'm one person that started Footsteps for Africa, that went over there and physically gave clothing and shoes to people who needed it. And that couldn't have been possible without the individual efforts of New Ways distributors. And so, in similar fashion, I think that distributors need to know that they individually made a difference, just as I physically made a difference as I was sitting there next to those children in Namibia.
New Ways partnered with the March of Dimes as part of our dedication to building healthy homes. Healthy homes start with healthy families, and healthy families start with healthy births. The goal of the March of Dimes is to do everything they can to help all pregnancies end in a full-term, healthy birth. I'm incredibly grateful to New Ways distributors for their involvement with New Ways, because it's their involvement that truly makes New Ways Gives possible. Each and every distributor should feel pride in that they individually make a difference in the world through their involvement with New Ways. New Ways Gives would not exist without each of you.
The government of Mali is so poor and can't afford to build middle schools in all of the villages. Mind you, Mali has about 15,000 villages, and the government has to build close to 2,000 classrooms every year to absorb the flow of students. So that's why Mali Rising has come to support the effort of the government in building middle schools, to bring these schools closer to the students, most importantly to the girls. Without the Mali Rising school building, girls take a lot of risks by traveling 5 to 7 miles to get to the nearest middle school, and they get more confident in life, and they don't get married at 13, having children at those ages, and repeat the same cycle of poverty that their mothers have lived. It is a selfless giving, because most of your distributors will not even get to see the eyes of these children, but in their heart the gratitude is forever. You're giving the gift of education to these children. They will go forth and become leaders and become self-reliant individuals in the community, participate in the development of their family, their village, and their country. We truly at Mali Rising Foundation feel very privileged to have this partnership with New Ways. Through the distributors of New Ways, now children of Mali will have access to education in their own village. Through this partnership, now children will no longer have to walk miles to get to the nearest school building. So we thank you for contributing to making a big difference in the life of children of Mali. Because of you, these children now will become better citizens. These children will now have a better life, because they will have the foundation to participate in life in ways that they will never had if you had not contributed. So I thank you, and on behalf of these children, I give you a heartfelt thank you for contributing to making their life better. Thank you very much.
Thank you for supporting Footsteps for Africa.
Thank you for making New Ways Gives possible.